guys, today we're at High Q. We have this 2007 Volvo DPF problem, so we're going to try and sort this one out for these guys. Alright guys, we've just done all the checks, managed to get all the fault codes off the system. We suspect that the sensor's not the best, because it wouldn't erase off the system. Just it keeps saying that the DPF is blocked, when in actual fact we've done a few pressure checks now, it's not blocked. Alright guys, we've got another split pipe issue. I think we had one of these yesterday, so we've got to have to replace the DPF pipe on this. We was getting readings that were all over the place. It's a bit of a clean cut, but it's split and it was also blocked, so we were getting inconsistent readings. Just come up behind the test drive, all the fault codes are still flagging, and this is the sort of stuff that was inside, so not good. Alright guys, we've changed all the DPF piping for new piping. Just done all the resets on the system, so we've got no fault codes there, which is great. So here's the engine anyway, so all looking good. Fault system pass, great stuff.